Good day and welcome to today's construction class. Alright, so we're solving the problem displayed on the screen. Above, okay. So it says figure 4.81 shows the elevation of a 20 mm square prison, 50 mm long, resting with one of its corners on the horizontal plane. So draw full size the following views and show all the hidden views. The given elevation and end elevation looking in the direction of arrow, a plan projected beneath view A. So which means we are producing this object in first angle to the direction. As simple as that. Alright, so we have to first of all reproduce the given view. So that to reproduce the given view. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a thin horizontal line like this. After creating that thin horizontal line, so you can see that the object is seated at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane. So with my set square, okay, I'm projecting this line at 30 degrees like this, then which means the corresponding distance is perpendicular about 60, then 60 degree from here like this. Now I'm going to actually pick my ruler, okay. So with my ruler, 20 at the top there, so the this here is 20, that's 20, midpoint will be what, 10 right there, and the height is what, 50. So I'm picking that also 50, which is right here. So with that settled, I'm going to project this like this, then this midpoint also like this. Now after doing that, then I'm going to slide this to that point of 50 which I marked towards the top earlier on. Okay, I'm just going to thicken this once and for all. Thicken this once and for all. Okay, so after thickening that, I can thicken this as well. Yes, that's the exact view. Okay, okay, so those views settled like that. So the next thing right now is for me to pick my set square. Okay, my set square, I'm going to project, let's get the plan. So to get the plan, I'm going to project every junction here downward. Okay, every intersection will be projected downward. Okay, so I'm going to pick my ruler. I'm going to put a gap. So from this base horizontal line, I'm measuring the mark of 10 mm downward, and I'm going to project that horizontally like this. Okay, so that's settled. Now to develop the plan of this object, okay, so I'm going to pick my ruler since the distance is 20. So from this second line here, okay, from this line here, I'm measuring 20, 10, 20. So I'm measuring 20 and 10. So then I'm going to project those points horizontally like this and like this. Okay, I have that points like that. Now if I'm looking at this object from the top, if I'm standing right here looking at it from the top, looking downward like this, I'll be seeing this area like this. This area is going to be like this. So it's going to be like this, like this, then this and this. Okay, that's what I'm going to be seeing there. Now at the bottom, I'll be seeing this all the way to this area. I'll be seeing this area at the bottom here also, like this. but this area is going to be hidden. It's going to be because if I'm standing here, I can't see. I know that this area exists, but if I'm standing here, I can't see it because this body is already covering this, so I can't see this part. Standing here, I can see this, I can see this, see this, but I can't see this to here because what? The body here is already what? This body here is already covering here, so I can't see this. So that is why it is what hidden. So take note of that. Okay, so I'm saying oh, that is I don't like this pencil at all. Just giving me problem. Ah, okay, that's how it's going to look like. Sorry for my pencil. The pencil is being problematic. Okay, we can see from here to here, which is from here to here. Okay, I can see from here to here, which is from here to here. Then I can see from here to here, which is from here to here. But I can't see this area at the bottom. If I'm looking at the top, I'm looking at the top. I can't see this area at the bottom, which is this area resting on the horizontal plane. So that area is going to be hidden. Okay, now to get the end view, looking from this direction. Okay, label E. Looking from this direction, label E to get that end view. Okay, first thing is let me project every point on this area horizontally first of all. Okay, I've drawn rubbish. You must ensure your T-square and everything is sitting properly, please. The area goes this junction goes to this goes this goes this goes. Okay, and those points have been projected. So from this edge here, I measure mark of 10 mm right here. So that mark of 10 mm, offset it there. Then I project it vertically like this. Then with my 45 degree, I pick this from here like this. Then I draw like this. With my 45 degree, I draw that like that. So all these points where this horizontal line, wherever it touches this 45 degree line, I will project it upward. That's what I'm trying to say. So this point upward and this point upward like that. So where it touches upward, where it touches upward. Now after that has been done, if I'm looking at this object from here, I'll be seeing the full head of this stuff here, of the object itself over there. So I'm going to develop that, and that is going to be oh, I'm having pencil problems today. Jeez. Okay. Then so that we are sorted. Okay. At the looking from here, I'm seeing this place at the bottom. I'm seeing this place, but if I'm standing here looking from here, I won't be able to see this place. I won't be able to see this place. So which means here to this midpoint is hidden, here to this area is visible. If I'm looking for my end view, so I'm looking at my end view. Okay, so take note of that, my end view. Okay, and that is what I'm going to do. So from here to here like this, visible. This will be what? Hidden. This will be visible also like this, and this is going to be hidden. Okay, after that has been done, like that, like this, like this. Okay, and that is it. So this, looking from here, this place is visible, here is hidden because I won't be able to see this back from here. So normal, so hidden. So looking from here, you can see the whole of this because this one is slanted, not like this. So, and that is it. So my front view, my plan, and the end view of the slant tracing. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this particular tutorial video. Kindly enjoy, subscribe to this channel, and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.